Have you written a check by hand and now need to record it properly in QuickBooks Online? You're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step on how to enter handwritten checks the correct way so your books stay accurate, your bank records match, and you avoid costly mistakes. Stay tuned because I'll also share a quick tip at the end to make your future check entries much faster. Let's dive straight into it. When you write a check by hand, QuickBooks doesn't automatically know about it, so you need to record it manually. Here's how. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, go to Plus New and select Check. This is where you'll record the details of your handwritten check. Start by selecting the bank account you wrote the check from. Next, enter the payee's name. This could be a vendor, supplier, or any person you issued the check to. If the payee isn't in your system yet, you can quickly add them as a new vendor. Then, enter the check number exactly as it appears on your handwritten check. This is important for tracking and reconciliation. Now, under the payment date, choose the date you wrote the check. After that, move to the payment category or expense account. Select the appropriate account to which this payment belongs, like office supplies, utilities, or any specific expense category. In the description field, you can add details about what this payment was for. Finally, enter the amount of the check and review the tax settings, if applicable. Once all the details are correct, click Save and Close or Save and New if you have more checks to enter. That's it. Your handwritten check is now recorded and will reflect in your bank register. Here's a quick tip. Always mark these checks as printed in QuickBooks, even if they were handwritten, so the system doesn't print them again or duplicate them in your records. And that's how easy it is to enter handwritten checks in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Following these steps ensures your accounts stay accurate and your reconciliations go smoothly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and keep your books balanced.